Hi, my name's David. Now I'm going to take you on this journey. I'm going to restore a Goggomobil dart. I've already restored a coupe convertible Goggomobil, and I think, well, next process in this adventure, next step, is going to be a dart. So I've got one organised down in Tasmania, and this is why this is the devilish dart, because Tasmanian devils worked out well. I'm going to try and do this YouTube vlogging thing. I don't promise to do this regularly, but please follow along and see how we go on this journey.